Hello guys, welcome to our factory. We are Fupower, a professional manufacturer in the exhaust system. We provide exhaust pipes, air charge pipes, and components. We also provide the turbo pipes. If you have any needs, please contact us. This is one of our jacks. When we receive the samples, we make the jacks according to the samples. The jacks is very important when we assemble the component or when we check the product. We need to use the jacks. This part is our muffler, and this part is our exhaust tips. This is our sample room. This part is our titanium pipe cards. We have different kinds of colors for the titanium pipe cards: gold, purple, Polish, and blue. This part is our components of the exhaust system. We have different kinds of components. For example, we have flex pipe, we have waves, and flange, and so on. And we also have different kinds of muffler. Here is our muffler parts. Here are our other samples. Normal exhaust tips, teardrop exhaust tips. And here is our stainless steel exhaust system exhaust pipes. This is our titanium exhaust pipes.